The 2009 GMC Yukon XL 1500. Powered by an 8-cylinder engine. With the 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive, this vehicle, with fewer than 75,000 miles on the odometer, is well equipped. This GMC features oversized premium wheels, towing package, and tilt wheel. Safety features include front and rear side airbags, 4-wheel ABS, and StabiliTrak. Comfort and convenience features include backup camera, Bluetooth wireless, DVD entertainment system, heated seats, and navigation system. Give us a call to schedule your test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.
Just say, "Show me the Carfax" at Martin Automotive Group, a Carfax Advantage dealer.